Hi guys, it's Pam here and today I'm going to share a mixed vegetable stir-fry recipe with you. An easy menu, but there's a few techniques to make all vegetables stay crunchy, which are what vegetables to put first and how to cut. And of course I'm not keeping it all to myself, let me walk you through. First, talk about choice of vegetables. Honestly, up to you. Whatever you like and want to put, it should be the mixture between softer and harder ones though. And because of different texture, that's why if you put all of them together at a time, some will turn out soggy while the others are still not cooked. So we're going to separate into 3 sets here. And the first set are the harder vegetables, and I use carrot, cauliflower, and broccoli. How to cut them? For carrot, I did what's called roll cut. Just keep rolling it and cut into medium-sized pieces. Then cauliflower and broccoli are sharing the same method of cutting. Cut off the hard stem quite closely to the top. At this stage, it should be easy separating the forest by hands, but if not, use the tip of the knife to cut them off. We want bite size. For the bigger piece, just cut them in half. And this big stem, I suggest not to throw it away. That contains so much flavor and very crunchy. Just remove the leaves and cut the hard parts. Then cut them into smaller pieces. You'll love this part is really crunchy. The second set are going to take less time to cook than the first one. We have cabbage and onion, and you'll never be able to clean the cabbage thoroughly unless you cut it first, and for sure it will turn out soggy if you cut it too small. So before cleaning, we're going to remove this hard stem. This is a little too big, so I'm going to cut it into about an inch. Remove the core. Cut again. Now just separate the layers and clean them thoroughly easily. Onion, cut into big square pieces. The third set are the vegetables that take the least amount of time to cook, and here I have some button mushrooms and baby corns. And here's how I cut the baby corns: in half and half again. Mushrooms, remove the stems, which are a little chewy and fibrous. Then cut into bite size. Then we'll need a cup of garlic, and this is optional, a cup of chilies. And this is the crispy garlic I made since a couple weeks ago and stored in the fridge. I'll put the link of how to make it in description. I'll show you if it's still crispy after a couple weeks in the fridge. Listen to this. This is extra ingredient if you want it. Anyway, good topping. Roughly chop the garlic. If you want chilies, we're just going to mash it roughly, not chop, to avoid eating the chili accidentally, because it can just blend with other vegetables easily. Stir fry is a quick menu, that's why it's good to prepare all the seasonings before start cooking. We need sugar, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, I use this really often, water, black or white pepper. Okay, let's mix. So we already have 1 tablespoon sugar in the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons light soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. You can substitute with Maggie or leave it out. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon water. Give it a mix. And these two we will put later. Now let's move to the stove. Pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We are on medium heat right now. And we don't need to wait until the oil is completely hot. Just when it warms up a bit, then we can put chopped garlic and chilies in, because if the oil is completely hot, then you can burn the garlic easily. Keep stirring until it gives you its nice smell. Then the first set of vegetables. We're gonna keep stirring until the broccoli are shiny green. Then add the second set of vegetables. Again, we can see if it's ready by seeing its color. When the cabbage and onion start to be clear, it's good to add the third set of veggies. We're just gonna mix it up quickly before adding the seasonings that we prepared. Turn up to high heat and mix the whole thing up. I really wish I had a wok. Would be much more fun to cook. And oh yeah, smells so good. Now my poncho also smells like stir-fried veggies. I love this poncho from Ecuador. It keeps me so warm and protect the wind. It can be so windy here in Cape Town. Anyway, for this menu, some people might boil the hot veggies and shock in cold water before cooking so they can put every vegetable all in one time. That can be done as well. But if you don't want another pot to clean, like me, just arrange the orders, what to put first and what to put after. It's enough to make all veggies get cooked and still crunchy at the same time. Top with the pepper and extra crunchy texture, crispy garlic. Again, the link of how to make is in description if you want to check it out. Very easy to make and handy for many menus. And that's it for stir-fried vegetables. If it seems yummy, let me know by leaving a thumb up and in a comment. See you again next recipes, guys. สวัสดีค่ะ